Hello? Yeah, baby, I'm at the place you said I should stop. Where are you? Yes, I'm at the junction. Yes, yes.
Okay, in that junction, just come. Turn your back. Turn your back. You will see this thing, motor, passing that side. Do you understand? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, what are you even saying?
What?
I cannot hear you. You say what? I can't hear you now. Oh, I don't like this kind of thing. Now talk something.
What do you mean? What do you even mean you cannot hear me? Do you even have a problem? I said, hello, can you hear
Look
me?
at you.
I said, when you stop in that junction, you stop in that junction. Look left. There's one building there. Yes, there's one building there. Follow that place and come straight. You see?
What?
Can you hear me very well? I said, when you stop in that junction, there's a road that is left. Your left, yes, your left, there's a road there. There's another one in your right. But you do as if you are going forward. You will see the road. You will not see a house that is small there. That is where you see it. Can you hear me? Do you hear what I said?
I'm not even understanding what you are saying. What is this boy saying? You want to leave me here stranded? You are very stupid. You know that you are very mad, in fact. Because I just asked you for money to make my hair, and you decided to give me a wrong address all the way from Lagos State to this place. You don't even know what to say. You are mad.
Look at you.
I'm going back, sure. Rubbish.
You are going back. You want to come and take money from me to make your hair? Because the first time you are coming to see somebody you just met on Facebook, you want to come and take money from me. My dear, you can go back.